Welcome to World Review Zones and other videos. A bike rack is a simple but important piece of equipment. When you strap your pricey bicycle to your even pricier car, SUV, or truck and drive through traffic, potentially at high speed or over bumpy roads, there are many opportunities for things to go horribly wrong. There are many products available on Amazon to choose the best Hitch Mount Bike Rack, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices, to help you make a perfect decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Hitch Mount Bike Rack from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video and stay till the end of this video. Number 1. iCue MR2 Hitch Bike Rack. Affordable hitch racks are few and far between, but the iCue MR is a shockingly solid option. It's easy to load, and thanks to the included hitch lock, it won't shake like most other low-cost hitch racks. It folds when not in use, and can swing down when loaded to provide trunk access. While it doesn't support step-through bikes by default, an optional crossbar adapter offers an easy fix. Number 2. Hollywood Rack's Destination E Hitch Rack. The Hollywood Rack's Destination E is the best among the new generation bike racks designed specifically for e-bikes. Its 70-pound per bike carrying capacity will bear all but the heaviest of e-bikes, and its retractable ramp makes it easier to load and unload than having to lift the bikes up to the rack. What's more, its C-post attachment point means that it will work with virtually any bike format, be it road, mountain, or step-through. It also folds flat when not in use. There simply isn't another rack that can lug around e-bikes with such ease and security. Number 3. Saris Car Trunk Bike Rack. While Saris racks don't have the highest carrying capacity and aren't compatible with some full suspension bikes, the brand has set the standard for trunk racks for decades. Carrying limitations aside, the Saris stands tall in the category because it's easy to attach and load. Its arms and legs brace securely against the rear of your vehicle, while ratcheting straps fix the system in place. Light and straightforward, you won't find a better trunk rack. Number 4. RockBro Sucker Bike Rack. Suction racks are becoming increasingly capable, and the RockBro Sucker has proven itself to be both reliable and versatile. Available in formats that can support 1 to 3 bikes, the Sucker is easy to remove and pack, making it perfect for swapping between vehicles or bringing on a trip for use on a rental car. To install it, simply place the suctions at the appropriate roof positions, then pump the plunger until it seals. The front fork of your bike attaches directly, while the rear wheel is ratchet strapped. From there you'll be all set. Just be sure to drive under the recommended maximum speed of 75 miles per hour. Number 5. Allen Premier Trunk Mounted Bike Rack. When you're shuttling up and down trailheads all day, you want to get your bikes loaded and unloaded as fast as possible, so you can hit the trails right away. The Allen Premier is a snap to load, making it a perfect fit for the job. There are 2, 3 and 4 bike models, so you can go small if you just need to haul a couple bikes, or go big and carry bikes for all your friends. It's also designed to fit a wide variety of vehicle formats, so there's no need to change racks if you change rides. Its carrying capacity is modest, so e-bikes are out, but it's an outstanding shuttle rack for traditional downhillers. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Stay tuned.